Why do fonts cause text reflow in print documents? Imagine you spend hours designing a perfect page layout, only to see the text shift when you print it. That's because fonts can change how your text fits on the page. When you pick a font, it has specific traits like how wide each letter is, how tall it is, and the space between characters. These traits are called font metrics. If you switch fonts or if the font isn't embedded properly in your file, the text can move around unexpectedly. Text reflow means the way your words adjust or shift to fit within a space, like a column or a page. Different fonts have different measurements for their characters. For example, a font with wider letters or larger line spacing will take up more space. This can cause lines to break differently or paragraphs to shift, messing up your original layout. When preparing files for print using Adobe software, font embedding is very important. Embedding means including the exact font within your PDF or print file. If you don't embed the font, the printer or PDF viewer might substitute a different font. That new font might have different character widths and spacing, which causes your text to reflow. Font substitution happens when the font you used isn't available on the computer or printer. The system then replaces it with a similar font. But this new font can have different measurements, making your text shift. This can affect how your lines break and how your pages look. Another thing to watch out for is converting text to outlines. This turns your text into vector shapes, which keeps the appearance but removes the font's spacing and hinting. While this makes your text look exactly the same, it also means you can't easily edit or reflow the text later. If you need to make changes or reprint, converting to outlines can cause differences in how the text appears. To avoid these issues, always embed all fonts fully when exporting your files to PDF. Check that your fonts are installed and accessible before printing. Use Adobe Acrobat's pre-flight tool to verify font embedding and find any substitution problems. When sharing files, include the fonts or convert your text to outlines carefully, understanding the trade-offs. Knowing how fonts work and how they affect text placement helps you keep your layout consistent. Proper font management ensures your design prints exactly as you see it on screen, without unexpected shifts or reflow. This way, your final printed piece looks professional and polished, just like you planned.